So using DeepSeek, what you can also do is generate out SQL queries as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, create a table, or create a table including columns SN name, let's say price, and quantity right here, just like this. Generate an SQL code for this. So if I were to go ahead and, let's say, for example, correct this and send this prompt out right here, then what happens is that it'll generate an SQL query for it. So you can see that it is processing just like this. So you need to wait for a while. And then you can see that an SQL query is generated just like this. So this is what you have. It says create a table and so forth. So what you can simply do is copy out this code right here, and let me just go ahead and paste it. And you can see that this is what it did. It also added in some comments. So if I were to run this SQL code right here, so let's just go ahead and erase out these comments over here, let's say, for example, and make some changes. So let's just go ahead and then run this SQL query. So you can see that it says auto increment is a syntax error. So let's just go ahead and remove this and run the query, and you can see that this is actually added in. So you can see that the table products is created and it runs it out right here. So now what you can also do is, let's say, for example, in this table, generate 10 data that can be added in, and generate a SQL query for that as well. So if I were to go ahead and then send this out just like this, then what happens is that it'll go ahead and then will generate out the query for that as well. So it says here is an example of 10 sample data entry for products table to insert them. So I did say generate an SQL query for that as well. So you can see that there's the SQL query for it. So you got the data right here, and then you got the SQL query. So there's insert into products. So let's just go ahead and copy this, go back to our SQL query editor right here. Let's say, for example, hit the run button, and you can see that under the products now you can see all of the SQL right here, the data inserted out. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out SQL queries as you like inside of DeepSeek. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.